Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hand drill kit and then use it to start a fire for cooking purposes. Check through my inventory, find a knife. Well, I don't really need a knife. You can just use your hands, you don't need a knife. You just find a bush and you collect a long stick from a bush. And then in a minute here, I'm gonna split the stick into 3 smaller sticks and just add it into the fireplace. Trying to get my fireplace set up first. The small sticks are used for kindling. You will need a little bit of bark for kindling, and you can use paper, or you can use some rags to add to the kindling to make sure the fire gets going. You don't actually have to use a whole bunch of stuff to get kindling. Rags, paper, bark, whatever, that'll make good kindling. Okay, I'm going to keep collecting some more sticks here. And I got 3 more short sticks from a long stick. Add them to the fireplace. Making a hand drill kit is very easy to do. You can very easily obtain all the materials you need from the forest, but you will have to cut bark off a tree. You'll have to have a knife to do that. In another video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a chicken bone knife. I'll post a link under this video so you can see. And there's my bone knife I made with chicken bones. I'm going to gather some bark off this tree, about 12 pieces. I'm using a pristine chicken bone knife. After I get 12 pieces of bark, the knife will be ruined and I'll have to discard it. It's a good idea to have plenty of knives. I'd say at least 3 or 4 knives anyways. If you don't have a knife, you can make a pristine stone knife by gathering rocks off the railroad tracks. That's the best place to get rocks or stones for making stone knives. Yeah, it's ruined. Got 12 pieces of bark now. Now I'm going to collect my bark. I'm all set to go. Heading back to the house. I'm going to add it to the fireplace. All you need is just, really all you would need is just 1 piece of bark. I'm just going to go ahead and put 4 in there. Gather another long stick to make more short sticks. All you need to make a hand drill kit is really just one stick and one piece of bark. Okay, now you notice on the right side of the screen where it says Craft Fireplace. What I'm going to do is scroll down from Craft Fireplace to make my hand drill kit. There it is. Scroll down and it says Craft Hand Drill Kit. And you're ready to do it. Always remember to scroll down. A lot of people don't know you have to scroll down. Okay, I'm going to throw my last stick in the fire, pick up my hand drill kit. And now I'm ready to ignite my fire. The hand drill kit is very highly effective for starting fires if you don't have matches, but you will need a knife. And now I'm ready to cook my meat. I think it might be a good idea to shut these doors. Never know when a zombie might come running in. Maybe. Unlikely, but maybe. If you want to, you can collect firewood, actual firewood from larger bushes. If you want your fire to last longer. And there, my meat's done. It doesn't take long to get the meat cooked. And it's also good to build fires periodically throughout this game to keep yourself warm from the cold. Otherwise, you could get sick with a cold or some kind of bug. And then your avatar, your online character that you're playing, is going to get sick and he's going to die if he catches a bug. So periodically making fires every now and then to stay warm, wearing warm clothes, and keeping your body nourished are three things that you would have to do to keep yourself from getting sick. That's a hand drill kit. One stick and one piece of bark is all it takes. Hope this helps.